hours. By this time it was 11:30 in the morning. I had not had breakfast. So मैंने literally vlog वगैरह post किया. I also put an IGTV video with Neha Kakkar, which thank you so much you guys because आप लोगों ने इतना tag किया. I hope it reaches her. Okay, I've just woken up. I'm a little bit disoriented, but I have got a comment in one of my pictures saying, go look at Neha Kakkar's feed. So if you guys know, if you guys don't know, I'm sorry. Okay, so if you guys know, I posted an IFA vlog a day before yesterday. I can't speak English. Day before yesterday, I posted the IFA vlog, and a major part of it was me meeting Neha Kakkar at the green carpet. And so I asked all of you, because I posted an IGTV video of me meeting Neha Kakkar, and I asked all of you to like just tag her, spam her, let her know that I love her, just let her know that if you can reply to my comments and all of that. And she might have shared that because somebody has commented. So there are so many people who are just like, what? Wait, 1 second. What is happening? Wait. So many people have said that you should go check her feed. Okay, let's just do this together. Ria.
Do not tell me, is it the real person?
It is the real person. So let me show you 1 second. It is. Okay, wait. There are people commenting. Wait. This is Neha Kakkar, and the first post is this one.
Oh my god! Dikhana, please, can I just watch it?
What? Mom! You guys don't know it. I love Neha Kakkar. I think she's one of the most grounded, happy, talented people. I followed her everywhere. I have also researched about her.
Oh great, that is...
Forget the kada, forget everything.
I think people...
Neha Kakkar has... She knows me now, maybe. I don't know. Okay, I have to thank you guys for making this happen, because you guys have literally spammed her with comments. So how could she not notice? But I have to... I'm forgetting everything. I just... Can you see? I don't know. Because when I really love and appreciate somebody so much, this is what happens. Okay, now I'm gonna put it up as my Instagram story that she's posted about it. Woo! And there is bhindi for breakfast. What a day! What did I do to deserve this? This is the best day ever. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever and whenever you're watching this vlog. Welcome to day 12? Day 13 of the Daily-ish vlogs. Hi guys, what's up? I really want to know what's up. Kya hal chal? What is happening in your life? What are you up to? Are you happy these days? Are you under the weather these days? What is going on? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to know. Like, I genuinely, as you guys know, I go through all of your comments. I try and reply to about all of the comments under my vlogs. So I will reply to all of the comments under this vlog also. So let me know in the comments below. Other than that, it is evening here. It's pretty late in the evening. आज पूरा दिन कोई ना कोई काम करता रहा तो vlog नहीं start कर पाया. So my bad. I'm still learning. I am not a daily vlogger. I am a daily-ish vlogger, if you guys know what I mean. So आज काफी late vlog की शुरुआत हो रही है, but nevertheless this vlog is going to be pretty late. The coffee hunt is still on. I didn't get a chance कि मैं बाहर जाकर coffee लेकर आ सकूं. आज पूरा दिन घर पे था. So as you guys know, I went to Avyukt's house, Noor's house yesterday to meet Avyukt and also do a little bit of work for Noor. तो वो video आज मैं सुबह से बना रहा था. And और भी छोटे मोटे काम थे. My friend Saksham came to visit me. So that being said, the vlog is starting right now. What else? Am I forgetting something? Did something special happen today? I don't know. Did Neha Kakkar posted my IGTV video on her feed? Did that happen? Did she do that? Did you guys make it happen? I don't know. She's the best. I love her. She's शी इज द स्वीटेस्ट। मैं इसी के साथ सभी डिकोडर्स का भी थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि इफ इट वाज नॉट यू गाइज ये वीडियो कभी नेहा तक पहुंचती भी नहीं। सो मेनी ऑफ यू हैव जस्ट incessantly spammed her, commented, tagging her in the comments saying, Neha, you have to see this, you have to see this. So all my decoders, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, because it just made my day so much more special. So बहुत thank you, and the day I meet you guys, I'll make sure I give you the tightest of hugs, every one of you. I'll do that, I promise you guys. Anyway, let's go. So guess what happened? No, just take a guess. Take a wild guess. So remember how in yesterday's vlog I said this? Like मेरे vlog की starting में हमेशा वो intro आती है जिसके end में वो date और day लिखा होता है। तो मैंने कल सोचा कि vlog intros तो खत्म हो गई हैं, so I should make newer ones. तो अब मैंने day 11 से लेके day 30th तक सारी vlog intros बना ली हैं। Good job रजत। So even though वो 13 seconds की एक intro है, but हर बार नया नंबर like vlog number 12, vlog number 34, date and day वो change करना, it is a little bit of a task, even though it's just 13 seconds intro. Exactly. If you see yesterday's vlog, I don't know how to explain this. So, उसकी जो visual digital intro है, उसमें जो date और day है, वो कल ही का है, which in fact it should be yesterday's, like day before yesterday's day and date. I have made all of the digital intros from day 11 to day 30, thinking कि you know अब tension free होके you know day 30 तक I'll just be free. I have put the wrong day and date in all of these intros now. No big deal, no big deal. Why do I do this? I don't understand. Why do I do this? Why I am totally unfollowing myself on Instagram today, right now. But you shouldn't. Because guess what? Neha Kakkar just posted my IGTV video on her feed. Still recovering. What's up? So I'm gonna enjoy my curd and rice with my sister and maybe watch something on Netflix. But before that, I want to tell you guys something. So like you guys know, I started the vlog really late in the evening. So I came downstairs, I had showered, I was like, okay, I'm ready to go, I'm gonna vlog. And then I was like, I was feeling pressured. I was like, there's not enough content for the vlog. I don't know what to say. I wanted to do some segment. But then it crossed my head. I was like, this is exactly what is wrong. And I'm saying this for myself. I don't have to feel pressurized to create content and meaningful content. These are daily-ish vlogs. You get to be a part of my daily routine. And today's day was just like that. So I woke up really happy. Then I had a little bit of work. Ghar pe, I cleaned my room. I cleaned my studio. And then, you know, it was just a normal day. Nothing engaging, not like I'm going to IFA. I mean, not all the vlogs can surpass that level of entertainment, but there are some days when you just sit at home and you get work done. आज का vlog I thought कि you know it is just going to be like that. I don't have to feel pressurized कि oh अब मुझे आज कुछ engaging बात करनी पड़ेगी या कोई ऐसी बात करनी पड़ेगी that will just fill the vlog up. I don't want to do that. I made a commitment to myself on the very first day of starting these daily-ish vlogs that I'm not gonna feel pressurized about it. And when I don't feel pressurized, I enjoy the process. And when I enjoy the process, I feel like my audience, you guys also resonate with that. So that's when I decided कि भाई नहीं, ऐसा कोई pressure नहीं लेंगे हम. कोई दिन बहुत ही entertaining होगा, कुछ दिन I'll just sit, maybe watch some Netflix. मतलब in fact, हमें Netflix या कोई भी ऐसे सीरीज देखे हुए कितना टाइम हो गया. मतलब हमने वो चीज़ें की नहीं. And I think ऐसी नॉर्मल चीज़ें भी आपकी रूटीन का पार्ट होना चाहिए. Like when you just sit, watch TV and just laze around the entire day. ये चीज़ भी आपको करनी चाहिए. You can't always be productive. I really feel bad that there are so many influencers in the digital space who tell you that hustle hard every day, make each day count. No, you don't have to make each day count. Not every day can be productive and not every day is going to be like, आज तो हमने ऐसे goals achieve करने, we're going to go one step nearer to a goal. Some days are just to sit, vegetate, eat, not exercise, not follow any rules, not be disciplined, and just chill. I'm gonna have my dinner, watch some TV, and I'll catch you guys soon. Sibling cuddle time. अभी मेरा मन कर रहा है हॉट चॉकलेट के साथ कोकोनट बिस्किट खाऊं. आई नो काफ़ी पर्टिकुलर है ये विश, बट अब मन कर रहा है तो मन कर रहा है. मन की तो सुननी पड़ती है ना, आखिर हूं तो मैं भी इंसान ही ना. जीते जागते इंसान की ख्वाहिशें होती हैं, ठीक है ना, इसे जज नहीं करना चाहिए. बट कौन बनाएगा? रिया तू बना सकती है?
नहीं.
हाँ?
नहीं.
क्यों नहीं? Okay, let's go make it. ये देखिए, ये है पंखा. इस पंखे को देखिए और इस पंखे की आउटलाइनिंग देखिए. जैसे ये रिंग का कलर है उसी तरीके की गोल्डन लाइनिंग है इस पंखे में. और अगर आप इसको स्लोमो में भी चलाएंगे ना वीडियो को, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि पंखों के अंदर जो वो छोटा सा डिजाइन बना हुआ वो भी ऐसे गोल्ड है. This is the quality content that you have signed up for. Okay? Yeah. Good. Nice. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Give it a big thumbs up. This is the content. ऐसा content आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलेगा? ऐसा exclusive featuring my ceiling fan. ये आपको ठंडी हवा देता है.
हमारा रेगुलेटर टूटा हुआ है.
देखिए, स्पीड कम तेज नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि रेगुलेटर टूटा हुआ है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि फैन चलना बंद हो गया. जब तक आप चल रहे हैं ना दोस्तों, तब तक जिंदगी चल रही है. जिस दिन आप रुक गए तो बस. मनुष्य का काम है चलना, जिंदगी चलती जाती है. द शो मस्ट गो ऑन.
बकवास है ना ये.
Also Neha Kakkad has just made my day. How do you do it? मैं भी नेहा कक्कड़ में.
मैं भी नेहा कक्कड़ में.
Shivani, if you're watching this, this is for you. हॉट कॉफी बनेगी तो हॉट हॉट बनेंगे. हॉट कॉफी बनेगी हॉट लोगों के लिए. कोल्ड कॉफी बनेगी कूल लोगों के. I just come up with the most random lyrics for this random song. I don't know what to do. Why am I like this? What is this? Why, Rajat? What's wrong with the sense of humor? Not a professional at making it, but I'm gonna try. I'm using this one, Hershey's Cocoa. Since the cocoa powder is completely unsweetened, I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. A lot of people add cream to this, but I don't have cream, and plus I think with milk it tastes really good, so works for me. Let this sit on simmer for a good 5 minutes and then serve. Have you ever tried dipping a coconut cookie in hot chocolate? Let me show you how it's done. So you dip it in, just like that, and take it out quickly. And then eat it. Highly recommended. Try it out. Hot chocolate, coconut cookies. Yum. Forget everything. मुझे बताया गया कि नेहा कक्कड़ is gonna come. This is my favorite bit. नेहा कक्कड़, me. Just you with it. I had no idea what I was speaking at this point. I was just like, woo, woohoo. It was Neha Kakkad, alive, in front of me. Yes, she held my hand. It's getting hot in here. And I'm not talking about the oven. Just look at that, look at that, look at that face right now. Just that face. Woo. Yeah, I was dead. We hugged. We are official, guys. Neha, if you're watching this, just reply to my. She did. You guys made it possible, guys. Thank you so much. What time is it?
2 a.m.
It's 2 a.m. We spent.
2:15.
It's 2:15. We spent the last how much time?
3 hours.
3 hours just having a heart-to-heart conversation. So yeah, we had a good bonding, crying,
Yeah,
slightly
it was really
emotional talking sesh. और अब हम जा रहे हैं बाहर कुछ पीने because we are dehydrated. What's up? I completely forgot to record the outro. I was editing the vlog and I was like, where is the outro? If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and letting me know. What are some shows or movies that you're watching currently on Netflix, Amazon, Disney, wherever? Let me know in the comments below because I want to start a series. So let me know good recommendations in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, become a part of the Decode family. And even if you forget doing all of this, like, comment, subscribe, matlab ye kaun hi karta hai. Don't forget to be the best and the happiest version of yourself. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.